How GitHub Actions is revolutionizing CI/CD in DevOps. GitHub Actions has transformed DevOps. It lets developers automate tasks in their GitHub repos. As organizations adopt DevOps, the need for simple, fast CI/CD pipelines has grown. GitHub Actions meets this demand. It lets developers automate tasks by creating custom workflows. These tasks include building, testing, and deploying code. Seamless integration with GitHub. A key reason GitHub Actions is changing CI/CD is its perfect integration with GitHub. Being in the GitHub ecosystem, developers can automate workflows. They don't need third-party CI/CD tools. GitHub Actions makes it easy to run workflows on repo events, like pushes or pull requests. Extensibility and customization with Marketplace. GitHub Actions is flexible. Its marketplace has pre-built actions to automate almost any task. They include testing, building, and deployment. The marketplace lets users easily add third-party tools to their CI/CD pipelines. Simplified multi-platform support. A key feature of GitHub Actions is its support for multi-platform builds and tests. GitHub Actions can run jobs on Linux, macOS, and Windows. It works for Java, Python, Node.js, and .NET projects. Enhanced security and governance. GitHub Actions have vital security features for DevOps teams. They handle sensitive code and credentials, from secret management to encrypted environments. GitHub secures actions and workflows. Workflow automation and parallelism. GitHub Actions can automate workflows. It can save time on repetitive tasks. To speed up CI/CD pipelines, run jobs in parallel, split workflows into steps and use caches. Conclusion. In conclusion, GitHub Actions is changing CI/CD. It is a powerful, flexible tool for automating DevOps workflows. It is also integrated. It's vital for modern dev teams. It has GitHub integration, a marketplace, and multi-platform support. Its security and workflow automation features make it a key asset. GitHub Actions can optimize your CI/CD pipelines.